This is the neighborhood where Scratchy goes pee. He's kind of retarded, but we still like him. This is the dumb yard. If I could hold it better, it might be better. There goes the stinky puppy with a ball. Where is he trying to go, Mr. Stinky?